If your goal is to grow your channel very fast, wherever you are in the world, this video will help you a lot. So as you can see here on this channel, I have grown my channel by 51% in the last 28 days. So what it means is that in about 28 days ago, I was getting about 50,000 views, and now I'm getting about what, 75,000 views. And of course, it will lead to an increase in watch hours, increase in subscribers, increase in what? Revenue. And that is the goal of every YouTuber. Of course, you want to grow. And it's always very interesting if you see your channel really going up and up and up, and you see that you are increasing in views. So I'm going to give you 5 tips that help me to achieve this, to a massive 51% growth in the last 28 days, and how you can implement the same formula and also get a significant growth on your channel, just like what you're seeing here. Before I continue, please remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. Now, the first thing you have to do, first of all, when you come to your YouTube channel or YouTube channel dashboard, come to the analytics and then find out those videos that are really the top in the last 28 days, your top videos. Check them here. And it is normally good if you own traffic or some organic videos, so you can base on those videos to use the data to be able to predict what to do going forward. Now, if you come to my channel, you see that they are saying that they are indicating that the views are higher than usual, and they are saying there are a few reasons for this increase. And then one, they are saying that viewers watched 57% more from YouTube search results, and then they also watched 62% more on what, apps outside of YouTube. That is what, Google search, and then Yahoo and others. So what you have to do next, after you come and check all the videos that you see here, the next step, which is the second step, is come here and look at the last 48 hours. Click on see more. See more. So come here and check the videos that have performed very well in the last 48 hours. So from my experience, it is always good when you do a video that relates to those that are already organic in your channel. So for example, I have a video here that is doing very well. If I go and do a similar video relating to this particular topic, so if I try to go to this video, I may see other questions that people are asking that may help me to do a video relating to that. So I can click on this, open this video, and go to the search. I'm going to the search. So when I go to the search, so as you can see, these are terms that people are searching. Facebook code not received, Facebook code problem, Facebook forgot password code not received. So I can decide to choose, let's say, this particular keyword and do a video about it. So you look at the keyword, and then you can also check on the comment section. Definitely one particular comment is going to give you a new video idea. So you can do a new video based on this particular topic. And once your subscribers have already watched this video, once you do a video relating to this topic, once it's a good video, it's going to go organic again. So that is the second thing, and you can do that like that to most of your videos. So you can look at your top 10 videos and apply the same formula, do at least 1 or 2 videos relating to those topics and publish them. There's a high possibility that they will go organic. Then from there, you come back to your analytics, and then you see trends. Click on the trends. Now when you come to trends, they will show you what your audience are looking for. So for example, they are telling me that my audience are looking for how to create Facebook ad sales campaign in 2025. So it means that if I do a video about any of these topics I'm seeing here, it is likely to go organic. Google ad account suspended problem, how to make money online fast, trading teacher. So all these ones, if I do a video about any of them, it's likely to go viral. Then sometimes they will also show you content gaps. So this one, for example, if you see them asking me to make a short, it means there are content gaps Content gaps means that there are currently no enough or significant videos that are providing solutions to these topics that people are searching for. And what you can also do is you can also try to check. Let me just I'm going to copy this one and then search. Sometimes you can search and then they'll give you more information about it. So you come here, I just copied one of the topics, Google Ad Tutorial 2025. So you see they are saying that there is very high interest from my followers. So once there is very high interest from this topic, if I do this video, it is likely to perform. In fact, you should do it based on the data you see in your channel, because the success of these videos would depend on the audience you have. Someone may say, oh, okay, if this particular video will do well for this person, let me also go and do this. It will not perform well if the audience you already have, when you publish the video and they are not interested in it, it's not going to do well. So look at your own channel data and do videos according to what people are searching for. And so when you see here, it's showing other topics. Other topics are being shown here. And then this one, for example, you see that they say content gap. Google Analytics Tutorial 2025. Content gap. Content gap means that there hasn't been enough content on that topic. So based on here, you can discover new video ideas, and these videos you're going to do are likely to go viral because there is high search intent among your audience. Okay, so that is the third one. The fourth one I'll talk about is what I will advise you sign up for vidIQ. vidIQ has helped me a lot in getting a significant growth. So for example, when you come here, when you type how to grow your channel fast, for example, they will show you other related keywords about it that is likely to go organic. So for example, so what vidIQ is telling me that instead of saying how to grow your YouTube channel fast, I should make the video how to grow your YouTube channel fast in Nigeria. So what does that mean? It means that how to grow your YouTube channel fast is very highly competitive, but how to grow your YouTube channel fast in Nigeria is not that too competitive and is possible to break through. You get it? So if you use this particular keyword, you are likely to go a bit organic, or if I use this, I'm likely to go a bit organic than just saying how to grow your YouTube channel fast. You can use another keyword. So for example, let me cut this one away. Okay, so you see this one, you see make a short, oh, let me move this one. Okay, Google Ad Tutorial 2025. So when I search for this, you see that they are saying that if I do a video about this topic, it is likely to go organic because it's 75%. 75% means that there is a high search volume about it. And so if anything you see green here, it means that topic is likely to go organic. Then this one, how to create a Google Ad account, full tutorial, Bangla, that is for Bangladesh. So you see, it helps you to discover which topic is likely to go viral and which one is likely not to go organic. So you can also come to related keywords, you can go to matching terms, questions, and all that. Then I am going to the last tip or the last tool, and then I'm going to keywordtool.io. It's a software, free tool for you to use it to do research about YouTube. So for example, when you come, select YouTube and then put the topic there, and then the location, you can make it worldwide or narrow it to a certain country you may be interested. So you see how to grow your YouTube channel fast, how to grow your YouTube channel fast 2024, how to grow your YouTube channel fast 2025, and all of that. As you can see, these are all related terms, so you can take time and go through them, and you are most likely to see a topic that will relate. You can, even any topic you see here, you can copy it further and come to keywordtool.io, come to vidIQ and do further research, and you will be able to narrow it down to a very good keyword you are likely to go organic. If you follow these processes, you will be able to grow your channel significantly. You can even grow to 100% within 28 days. If you follow the process and you do well, follow the steps, you will grow significantly, and in 1 year you will see an explosive growth. From between 1 month to 6 months to 1 year, you see an explosive growth if you follow this. And you also need our professional service. I coach people on YouTube how to get more subscribers, how to monetize your channel. I also teach digital marketing. You can follow the WhatsApp or Telegram link in the description of this video to contact me for help on how to do it and do it more professionally. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. Leave your comments in the comment section, and if you have any problem, I'll reach out to help you. See you in the next video, and bye.